Do you find yourself constantly switching between your phone and your car's sound system to play music? Do you miss important calls because you can't hear your phone ringing in the car? Say goodbye to tangled cords and complicated installations. In this video, we will showcase the best Bluetooth car adapters for music that will transform your driving experience. Number 1. Roav Viva Pro by Anker USB Car Charger and Music. The Roav Viva Pro by Anker is a top-of-the-line Bluetooth car adapter that not only plays music but also doubles as a USB car charger. With Alexa voice control, you can control your music, calls, and smart home devices while keeping your hands on the wheel. The advanced noise-canceling technology ensures crystal-clear call quality, even in noisy traffic. The compact design and dual USB ports make it easy to install and use in any car. Number 2. iSimple Hands-Free Calling and Music. The iSimple Hands-Free Calling and Music adapter is a simple solution to bring Bluetooth connectivity to your car's sound system. With hands-free calling, you can make calls and control your music without having to take your hands off the wheel. The compact design fits easily into your car's cigarette lighter socket, and the audio quality is clear and distortion-free. Number 3. Hands-Free Call Car Charger Music Stereo Adapter. This compact and portable Bluetooth car adapter is a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly solution. It supports hands-free calling and music streaming, and its compact design fits easily into your car's cigarette lighter socket. The built-in microphone provides clear call quality, and the device also doubles as a car charger for your phone. Number 4. SCOSCHE BTFM5 Bluetooth Hands-Free Car Kit. The SCOSCHE BTFM5 Bluetooth Hands-Free Car Kit is a versatile Bluetooth car adapter that allows you to make hands-free calls and stream music from your phone to your car's sound system. The device is compatible with most factory and aftermarket car stereo systems and comes with a magnetic mounting system for easy installation. The built-in microphone provides clear call quality, and the device also doubles as a car charger for your phone. Number 5. Aluratek Universal Bluetooth Audio Cassette Receiver. For those who still have a car stereo system with a cassette deck, the Aluratek Universal Bluetooth Audio Cassette Receiver is the perfect solution. This compact device fits easily into your car's cassette deck and streams audio from your phone via Bluetooth. The built-in microphone provides hands-free calling, and the audio quality is clear and distortion-free. In conclusion, whether you're looking for a top-of-the-line Bluetooth car adapter with Alexa voice control or a budget-friendly option, there is a solution for everyone. These Bluetooth car adapters will make your driving experience more enjoyable and convenient by allowing you to play music and make calls hands-free. Upgrade your drive today and enjoy the best music experience in your car.